What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day so far. So in this video today we'll be building this fidget spinner using HTML and CSS. So basically I got this fidget spinner from Google, and the cool thing about it is that when you hover over it, it speeds up. It spins slightly faster. You can change up the speeding of it to make it slower or faster depending on what you like. So let's get started with the video. So I might as well copy this beforehand and just get rid of all this, generate my boilerplate code, create an IMG tag with the ID of spinner, since that's what it's going to be, and the alt tag will be spinner as well. And for those of you who don't know what the alt tag is, it's basically a tag that allows you to insert text that describes what your image looks like or what it represents. So ours is a spinner, or a fidget spinner if you want to call it that way. And then the source will be this. I'll have it linked in the description below if you guys want it, or you can just go find one on Google yourself, but I'll have it linked just to make it a little easier for you guys. And that's pretty much all the HTML we need, so let's get started with CSS. So I'm going to create my two style tags, give everything a padding of zeros, set the margin to 0, box sizing will be border box, and cursor will be pointer, so this is what it basically does. So you can hover over literally anywhere on our web page and your cursor will turn into a pointer. So if I hover off of it, now you'll notice it turns back into this eye. And then we can style our body, give it display flex, justify content, center, align items, center, and then IMG, transform, scale 0.8, cursor. Well, we don't have to do that since this is already applying that to it for us. Then animation will just be spin, that's the name of it. The duration will be 1.2 seconds. Linear infinite. The smaller the value of our duration is, the faster it'll spin. So I'm just going to put it at 1.2 so it's not spinning too fast, or else it'll look like it's glitching. And we'll do animation fill mode, which is what it does once the animation is complete. And then we'll select our keyframes. It should be at keyframes, not pound sign keyframes. And then the name of our animation, which is right here, spin. So we'll copy that, and we'll do 2 transform, scale 0.8, rotate 360 degrees, and now it's spinning. But you can kind of see that it's not spinning in place, it's kind of wobbly, but that's okay. At least it's actually working. And we'll give it a hover property, which is that cool thing I showed you at the beginning of the video, where when you hover over it, it spins faster. So when we hover over it, we want the animation duration to be less so that it will go faster. So we can put 0.9 seconds, which is 75% of 1.2 seconds. So now if we hover over it, it'll spin 25% quicker than before. And if I set this to like 0.1, to a very small value, now it'll look like it's glitching. So you can mess around with that and see what happens. And if I put it at maybe 50 seconds, now it's spinning very slowly, which will take forever before it actually completes one revolution. So we'll just do 1.2 seconds. And now we're done. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys found this fun and learned something new from this video. And I hope you enjoyed playing with your new fidget spinner app that I taught you how to build. If you have any comments, feedbacks, or any questions to ask me, let me know in the comments below and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Be sure to subscribe and drop a like, since my goal this month is to reach 60 subscribers, but I'm not doing it for just the subscribers. I'm doing it because I want to educate you guys as well, so don't get me wrong for that. I'm not doing it just to benefit myself. I'm doing it also to teach you guys and other people around the world on YouTube how to code. And this is pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you again in my next video.